Where's David Van Dane now? There he is. Not here, I won't be able to do this one in Brighton, by the way. Yeah, he's in Brighton. He's got a hot dog stall. Yeah. And the one thing that I noticed about him when we were at Top of the Pops is he had a very small willy. It was sticking out of his trousers, it looked like that. And when I went down to the hot dog stall, when I first opened it up, I said, "Can I have a hot dog, please?" And the bloke gave me a hot dog and it was like that. I said, "You're having a job?" "Yeah. Want a piece of me?" I'm sorry my jokes are all about cocks, is it? I'm scraping the barrel there, aren't I? Chorus with the goals, she is silent against a tree. She doesn't mind the languages and beating, she got lead. She lets loose on the horses and the cobble is asleep. He waits to find a fire instead and arrows in his hand. And David Crockett bites around and says it's cool for cats, it's cool for cats. Swings to the right because they call her where to go. To get a kind of villains in the shed up at Heathrow. The cannon and the rivals and the ankles of the game. They're in and out of water, put the numbers on the name. Funny how the missus always looks to be the same. Everyone at the station is a couple like the lads. You swear that that's your father and you're very cool for cats, a cool for cats. Changing the road at all, I've been buzzing at the pub. I'm seeing my reflection, I'm looking slightly rough. I fancy this, I fancy that, I wanna be so fast. Give a little more my soul, and spend a little cash. But all I get is beer and a nasty little ass. And by the time I'm sober, I've forgotten what I'm at. And everybody tells me, it's good to be cat, it's good for cats. I never know what to do with this bit of the song. Usually in Squeeze, everybody's doing a solo. I'm just standing around like a convert, as usual. Loads of bands supported us and went on to do great things. I've mentioned Dire Straits and U2, of course. So if you've got a band and you want to support Squeeze, you're going to be massive. R.E.M. they supported us. That's a shit name for a band as well. XTC, they supported us. They're a bit too serious for me. The Jam, they supported us. We were playing at the Marquee Club, I remember it so well. And Paul's dad came up to me afterwards, he pinned me against the wall. He said, "You've nicked all our microphones." I said, "No, I haven't." But I had. I asked her lots of questions and she answered to the wall. I kissed her for the first time and then I take her on. Been buying for coffee and I never got around. She said she likes to discuss, she's always around. I said, "I'll see you later, I'll give you some more chat." But it's not like that on the TV, but it's cool for cats, it's cool for cats. Cheers.